Hello everyone, I'm Faral Imran and today the topic that I'll be explaining you is called for loop in Python. So let's get started. What is a for loop? Now for example, as you are a programmer and when you have to print this statement like multiple times, so instead of printing the same statement multiple times, you can just add a loop. Now what is a loop? Now when you loop, you just you write a piece of code and then it prints or it loops the statement like multiple times. For example, if you want to loop it or if you want to print it multiple times, then you can write just one line of code and then it will print that same statement multiple times. So let me show you how it's done. At first, for loop, we use the value for and we do not initialize anything in for. Like in while you initialize, but that's a later topic to explain. So now I'm just explaining for loop. So for example, I'm making a list 1 equal to, I'm adding the ice cream flavors as mango, then strawberry. In case you don't know what is list and how to make a list, then you can go look at my video, which is what are lists in Python, and that I'll add at the top of my video, so you can go look for it. Strawberry and what else? Vanilla and chocolate, which I love the most. Chocolate is really nice. So chocolate. Okay, now the list has been created. So I'll add the value as 4. Then I'll add any variable. You can use X, you can use I, any word you want you can add. So that will be used for printing. T, for example, or X. I'll just use X in. This is the code word you can say. List 1. So means for X in list 1 means X will be looping in list 1. And after that you add a colon. After that you click on enter. You say print X. Now X will be printing one by one. First X will go to this value. So it will print mango. Then after that it will print strawberry. After that I will print vanilla and after that I will print chocolate. So when I click on run hello.py, so here you can see these values have been printed in list. So now let me show you. As I said, you can print multiple statements at a time. For example, if I say X equal to I love Python. Okay. Now I'm saying for X in range, I'll be using the word range from, by default, the start is 0. If you want, you can add the value. If I'm saying 1, then comma 7, which is the stop, means it will print from 1 to 6. Yep, 1 to 6 values will be printed. And then there is a step argument, which is by default it is 1. So no need to add that. Now when I say print X, now here you can see it's the same. So I'll just say R. And then run hello.py. See, here I love Python has been printed 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6 times it has been printed. As I said, you can print the multiple statements or the same statement multiple times by just adding this loop, for loop, or even you can add while loop also, but that's a later topic. So you can add this. So you do this one also. and you can add the range, and then you can print it multiple times. You can add if conditions also in this for loop. Also you can add if condition. For example, if I say for r in list 1, if x equal to, that is for the condition. For condition checking, you add double equal sign. And then if I say vanilla, okay, and then I'll add the colon. After that, I'll say print yes. Okay. Yep. Well, it hasn't print vanilla here. We're checking R in list 1, and it checks the condition that if x equal to. Okay, so here it shouldn't be x, it should be R. Now this break statement will work. Now when I click on run, so see here mango and strawberry has been printed. Now when it came to vanilla, it broke. Means this statement worked and it got out of the loop. And I can also do that. Instead of breaking this, I can do that. I could just print a statement. For example, if I say print yes, then it would print yes, because R has vanilla, because in this list there is a vanilla. And if I say if R equal to lemon, I don't know, we don't have a lemon flavor ice cream. No, I don't think so. See here, nothing is printing because there is no lemon in the list. And now let me show you what continue does. For example, I don't want to print chocolate. Now when I don't want to print chocolate, now what I'll do, I'll just say continue. I'll use this statement, and then outside this if condition, I'll print R. So everything will be printed except this word. Now when I click on enter, see everything is printed except chocolate. Means mango has been printed, strawberry has been printed, and vanilla has been printed. Means when it came to chocolate, it got resetted. The loop got resetted. Now here I'm showing about the value which is the last one. Let me show you about the value which is in the middle, such as strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Now when I write this and I say continue, everything will be printed except strawberry. See here, mango has been printed, vanilla has been printed, and chocolate has been printed, but strawberry has not been printed because this continue statement has resetted and it has went back to the loop. Because what it does, instead of going out of this, because when a condition becomes false, it comes out of that statement or that condition. It should have printed or, means strawberry should have printed. But this continue statement, what it does, like this statement is true, now it goes to continue. Now what continue does, it goes back to the loop, so it does not print this. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.